A and E. Often children and even adults get confused with these two sounds. This is A. Open your mouth and say A. Apple. A. When you are saying apple, what is the sound that we are saying first? Apple. A. Remember that. And. So whenever you will see this letter, you will remember and you will say A. Alligator. A. And this is E. Much relaxed. Egg. Notice what we are saying first when we are saying egg. E. So whenever you will see this letter, you will remember egg. 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 Elephant. Elbow. Now let's read. Bad. Bad. Bed. Bed. Pat. Pet. Pet. Man. Men. At. Mat. Et. Met. That's why we must teach children the letter sounds first, then the letter names.